Hello everybody, this is Gulshan Sharma and today I thought let's speak on any specific topic which is very crucial or important for everybody. So topic is learning, like how to learn, like what are sort of things do we learn, or like how to learn, from where I can learn. So first, what is learning? Learning, like anything, whatever you want to learning, like it can be any specific topic in which you are interested. You can learn, like any skill you want to learn, or any kind of interest you can go for it, go for that learning. Like if your life gets easier, or if your life gets better in terms of growth, or in terms of success, so learning is worth it. And learning is all about seeking information, seeking knowledge. You can learn only being consistent, or being dedicated towards your routine, or towards your time. Then you can learn gradually, or else you just keep postponing things, keep putting off things. So it'll be just wasting your time. You'll just keep thinking, end up you'll not get anything. So that is very important to keep in your mind. To learn any specific thing, just try to make a goal, any specific time duration. Like if you want to learn any specific skill or anything, so set a goal for a 1 month. For a 1 month, create any deadline, like for a 1 month, like any specific uh, date you can choose. Like if you have chosen any date like first, so till at the end of the month you have to be better. As as uh, as present, if you're not, so at end of the month you will be find a better version of yourself. Second thing, how to learn. So how to learn is a not very complicated question. You can learn uh, from everywhere. Like there are several platforms or resources from where you can get informations. First is like reading books. Second things, like on social media, like uh, not just scrolling reels, or like scrolling shorts videos, or like comments or share. Not like that. Try to be on social media like YouTube, like Instagram also available. Instagram kind of learning platform in my point of view, if you can consider learning way. Like you can follow some specific page, like if you are interested in financial, or any like any soft skills, any common skills, if you want to grow, or you want to be fluent, so you can follow those pages, or you can learn from those pages, or like try to make some notes, or try to execute in your actions. Once in a while you will not get a result, but keep consistent, keep dedicated. After a couple of days you'll get uh, small results. So this is the first way. Second way of learning, like YouTube. On YouTube there are like tons of videos available on YouTube. You can find out, or search, or keep watch. After watching those certain videos, you can write down on your copy, so that you can, so that you cannot forget. That's how you can remember in your mind for a long time if you jot down on your copy. And third thing is like practical knowledge. If you want to gain, so you can explore life, you can step out or create any destination, go for it, or try to talk to new people or different cultures you can involve into, or you can like I just want to, you can have different types of knowledge. Knowledge is not all about any specific field. Knowledge is all like it's kind of ocean. So that is what I want to tell you. If you if you have knowledge, so on the basis of knowledge you can do whatever you aspire to be. For instance, if you want to get a job, if you have knowledge or have experience, so you can get hired easily without facing a lot of complications or problems, because like problems are there. Without having problems you cannot get success or result. Problems must be there, there is no any doubt, but the possibility of having problem is less. Not that much problems as much as you must be considering without having knowledge. So knowledge is very important. If you have any knowledge in your field, so you can, because knowledge, like from knowledge you have like confidence. If you're confident, so you can face any situation. So confidence always comes from knowledge or experience comes from exploring new things, or facing difficult situations, interacting with the people, different types of people. Try to ask the questions. From there you can get ideas, or from there you can start real learning. So that's all about learning, and thank you so much, and